We're doing a little window work. I want to share with you a tip in using, get you out of glare here, in using sawmill lumber. Sometimes you work with a beveled edge. I'm wanting to run a screw through this, but how to do that without splitting or slipping. I run the screw in from this side first, find my center point, run it through the center and through here. Now I'll back this screw out and get it started here and install this piece. We're framing windows this morning. Started in the hole we already made. Let me also make a plug for GRK fasteners. These are R4 multi-purpose screws. They drill white oak very well. They have a Torx head, bits included. They are kind of pricey. They're not budget friendly, but in places where you don't want to be wasting time drilling, pre-drilling with a drill bit and then screwing, they work very well. GRK fasteners. Going up into there, and I think that you'll be able to see what we're doing, maybe. Yeah, so we traced that piece out, kind of building a rudimentary window header. 36 by 36 is our rough opening, so that's what's going on. I'll take you up the ladder and show you what we did right quick. So we traced that piece out and made sure we were level here. Notice I have a couple of witness marks and traced it from the back side. That is, we put this board on the back side of this truss and traced it with a pencil and then sawed it out. Like I said, making sure this was level. And then our vertical pieces will go in here like so. So I checked my measurements. We'll end the video right there, and I'll do the next step, installing the vertical pieces. Thank you for watching.